Garden Wise Adventures. Today's a little bit of a windy day. I hope it doesn't mess too much with the audio, but we are here for another plant of the week. Today's plant of the week is going to be one of my favorite landscape plants and edible plants, and it is Culinary sage. Now I have a couple of different varieties that I use for landscape purposes and also for culinary purposes, and let's look at them and see what they look like. One of the first sages I wanted to show you is my really large Bergarten sage. It's got an extra large leaf, blue flowers in the spring. As you can tell, the grasshoppers do like it, but not enough that it's ruined the plant. Has a great sage flavor. The maintenance is extremely easy. It can take very little water. I cut it back maybe every couple of years, and the only reason I cut it back is some of the branches get older and start to look kind of ratty. The winter time, the leaves will die back, but it still is semi-evergreen, and then it just flushes out again in the spring and is gorgeous like this. This plant is probably, I would say 6 feet by 6 feet. So they can get pretty large, but they make a great landscape accent. One of the other ones that I have has a little bit more color, but it's the same ease of maintenance. You can kind of see that the frost took a little bit of a toll. The early freeze took a little bit of a toll on it, but we've got new leaves actually trying to flush out again. That's not going to be a problem. I may have to cut this back in the spring a little more than I normally do, but we'll see how it looks next spring and see if I do need to cut it back. But I love the purple color to it. It makes a really great landscape plant. Now there are other culinary sages that make good landscape plants. Your regular garden sage, clary sage is a medicinal plant, but I like all of them. Now this is a little bit of a shorter video, but tell me if you've used sage in your landscape before as a landscape plant as well as a culinary plant. There's a lot of different plants you can do that with. So go out, look at your garden, go have a wonderful garden adventure.